Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a router circle jig. First, attach the jig to your router's base plate using the provided screws, ensuring it's firmly secured. Next, measure and mark the exact center point of your desired circle on the material. Then, insert the jig's pivot pin into this marked center, making sure it's snug. This initial setup is crucial for achieving precise, clean circular cuts every single time. Now, let's set the radius for your circle. Measure from the center of your router bit to the pivot pin. Adjust the jig sliding mechanism until this distance matches the exact radius you need for your project. For example, if you need a 12-inch diameter circle, set the radius to 6 inches. Once the measurement is perfect, tighten the locking mechanism to secure the router's position on the jig. This step ensures your circle will be the precise size you intend. With your radius set, it's time to make the cut. First, ensure your material is securely clamped to your workbench. Then, carefully plunge your router bit into the material, starting with a shallow depth. Begin routing in a smooth, clockwise motion around the pivot pin. It's best to make several shallow passes, increasing the depth with each rotation, rather than attempting one deep cut. This technique prevents tear out and extends the life of your router bit. After completing the final pass, carefully lift the router from the material and turn it off. Allow the bit to stop spinning completely before removing the jig. Gently separate your perfectly cut circular piece from the surrounding waste material. You might want to lightly sand the edges to achieve a smooth, professional finish. Finally, clean your router and the circle jig, storing them properly so they are ready for your next woodworking project. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.